Now let's simplify 15 multiplied by 3 over 5. Now remember that the first thing you want to do in your solution is to first write the whole number as a fraction. So that is, we would have 15 divided by 1. And then we multiply that by the fraction, that is 3 over 5. Now what this gives us is, we write our division line and then multiply the numerators by each other. So numerator 15 multiplied by the other numerator, which is 3. And then we also multiply the denominators, that is, we have 1 multiplied by 5. Now this gives us 15 multiplied by 5 will give us 45. And then 1 multiplied by 5 would give us 5. Now remember to simplify your answer. Now in this case, you would find that 5 will go into 45 9 times. So we have 9 whole number. And in this case, there is no remainder. So our answer is a whole number, which is 9. Thank you.